ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು 736th ಡೇ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ವಂ, ವನಪರ್ವಂ ಆರ್ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪರ್ವಂ, 12th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, Draupadi Devi, while remembering all the insult that she has gone through and while getting so mad with so much of anger, she is now praying Sri Krishna Paramatma like this: O Krishna, you are the one who has the entire space, Bhulokam and all other worlds within yourself. O Krishna, those who are enlightened with their tapasya, with their knowledge and with their pure heart and with the Atma Sakshatkaram, self-realization, for all of them you are the ultimate goal. You are the ultimate destination. O Krishna, Rajarshinam Punyakrutam Sarvadharmopapannanam Tvam Gatihi Purusharshabha. For all the Rajarshis, for all the great people, for all those who have great heart, for everyone, you are the final refuge. You are the final destination for all of them. O Krishna, you are all over, you are all pervasive, and you are the very life force of all living beings. O Krishna, Lokapalascha, Lokascha, Nakshatrani, Disho Disha, all the worlds, all the Lokapalas, Nakshatras, all the sides, space, Surya, Chandra, everything is within you. And this entire Srishti is within you. O Madhusudana, I do know that you are the supreme. You are the master of all living beings. That is why, with so much of affection, I am now telling you all the troubles that I have gone through. Like that, Draupadi Devi praying Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण. जय श्रीमन्नारायण. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.